All right, so here's what's happening. Well, you look at the peak wind gusts, we're like 51 Southold, 49, Kew Garden Hills, Uniondale almost at 40 miles per hour. Yeah, so we're clocking up at some pretty intense speeds. It's still gusty, just not as breezy. As you can see here, these are consistent wind speeds compared to the actual gusts. If you look at West Hampton, 28 mile per hour gusts, but the wind speeds consistently are around 17. 9 Brookhaven, not much of a gust there, and it is a light breeze otherwise. It looks like Sussex is falling asleep there, but we'll get the futurecast wind speeds that you can anticipate. These gusts are going to be clocking into the 20s and even 30s by this afternoon, but it'll be a gradual decline. So by tomorrow and even as early as tonight, you'll start to really feel those winds subside. So we're howling yesterday for sure. So right now, temperatures at around 30, Fort Lee, 31, Soho. Winds are light and variable overall at Central Park. This is where the variable wind speeds are right now. But again, they're going to be changing throughout, which is what it means, changing wind speeds. 31 in Bridgeport, 31, New York City, Brookhaven, 32. And a look this afternoon, low to mid 30s. That's what you can expect, but it's going to feel more like the 20s. And speaking of the 20s, falling into the 20s overnight, but it's going to feel more like the teens when you factor in the winds, although subsiding. Still going to be a little bit of a chill there and a wider view of things. High pressure replacing low pressure, which means, yeah, the winds are going to be tightening up. It's going to be stiff, but then eventually it'll relax. So there are look ahead. A few lake effect snow showers. Remember, we still have that warning in effect, but that's going to move on out, and eventually, yes, the next system arrives on Monday. Keep the umbrella handy Tuesday, and then we're looking at Wednesday for the chance of rain. And on the backside of it, once that cold front sweeps through, a few snowflakes possible as those temperatures take a dive. So look at this, temperatures 20s and 30s today, but look at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and even Wednesday, 40s and 50s. It's just when that colder air arrives late Wednesday into Thursday, we may see those snow showers parts of the tri-state. We'll send it over to Alexa with traffic.